How to join Digistore24 Affiliate Program. Hey there, I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, informing you of everything you want and need to know about affiliate marketing. And in this case, how to join the Digistore24 Affiliate Program. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the application, entering your tax information, and setting up your payouts so that you can start promoting Digistore24 affiliate products and get paid the right way. And if you stick with me until the end of the video, I'll show you how to research the top ranking Digistore24 products to see if it's the right fit for you. Also, be sure to check out our link below for instant access to training that's unlike any you've ever seen before. You'll learn the truth why you have been failing online and what you want and need to do to change your future. So if you're interested in succeeding with affiliate marketing, then grab our free training below today. If you found value in this video, please give it a like. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. And comment below if you have any questions. We'll be more than happy to help you out as soon as we can. What is Digistore24? Digistore24 is an all-in-one digital sales platform and international affiliate network. It's one of the many affiliate networks for you to find affiliate products to promote. And when you sell a Digistore24 product, you receive a portion of the sale as a commission. Unlike other platforms, with Digistore24, there is rarely a wait to receive your affiliate link for you to start promoting products, which is really good for beginner affiliates with no prior sales history. And they have hundreds of different products for you to choose from many different niches. So let's look at Digistore24. Open your browser and type in Digistore24. Or you can go straight to Digistore24.com. Click the Register Now button on the top right. And now all we have to do is fill out the application. Digistore24 gives you two ways to make money. You can either become an affiliate or a vendor. They also give you the option to do both. If you think at any point you may sell a product, you can go ahead and choose both. Next, you'll need to come up with a username. This is your one opportunity to brand your link for your business. For example, affiliatemarketinginformant.com is very long to put in as a username. So if we wanted to use something like AMI as our initials instead, and maybe today's date, that would be nice and short as a username to go into the affiliate link. As you can see right below, AMI524 populates at the end, and this is what my affiliate link will look like for most Digistore products. You can change this, and do give this a little bit of thought. This will be your ID going forward. Next, you'll want to enter your email address and then enter it again. Next, you'll choose a password and you'll repeat that as well. If your password is not strong enough, they will tell you. Then you'll need to choose your time zone. Just because your time zone or your country is listed does not mean that Digistore24 does business in your country. We will discuss that in just a second. Next, fill out the rest of your form. Enter your first and last name, the company, your street address, your zip code in your city, as well as your state. You are also asked for a country. And again, just because your country shows on this list does not mean that you are able to do business as a Digistore24 affiliate. If Digistore24 does not do business in your country, you will receive communication through your email. You must enter a valid phone number. Your Skype or Telegram ID is optional, and you must check this box. By checking this box, you are agreeing to their general terms and conditions contract, and you should always read the contract before you accept it. There are many things that you are not allowed to do, and surprisingly, some things that you can do that other affiliate networks don't allow. You need to read these rules before you agree to follow them, because you are held to these rules once you click this box. All you have to do now is click the Register for Free button. You will need to go to your email and complete the confirmation process by clicking through the link. If Digistore does not do business in your country, this is when you will find out. If you are registered with an office outside of Europe, such as United States, Canada, New Zealand, or Australia, you do not have to provide Digistore24 with a VAT ID or tax number. The VAT ID is the vendors and affiliates tax ID number. If you have a registered office in Europe, you will need to enter this number. To do that, simply go to Digistore24 and log in with your newly created official username and password. Once there, on the top right, go to Account and Details. Scroll about 3/4 of the way down the page and you'll find the box to enter your tax number. Once you enter your number, you will have to validate the country of address by receiving a text message. That is the second way that they will let you know they do not do business in your country, is if you cannot receive that text message. The last step in this process is to actually set up your payout details. Again, log into Digistore24. On the top right, go to Account and Payout Account. Enter your password for verification and then choose the option to get paid once a month. And this is going to be a pro tip, because when you first start out with Digistore24, you have to set up this minimum payout threshold, meaning that you have to work up to a minimum commission amount before you can get paid. If you choose a payout frequency other than one payout a month, your second payout minimum threshold becomes higher and it's $200 instead of just $50. So if you chose to get paid every other week or even once a week, you would have to make at least $200 to get the second, third, and fourth payouts. So as a beginner affiliate, especially having no commissions yet, start with that lower threshold so you get paid something every month until you can build your commissions up to where you actually are making $800 a month to get that payout once a week. So be sure to set your payout threshold to $50 with the payout once per month. Make sure your account is active and choose what currencies you want sales in. I would suggest checking all. Re-enter your email address, select your payout method. For each one, you will have to enter different information to verify, so be prepared with that information. And then choose the payout, whether you want it made without currency conversion or in the currency you've set for your account, or choose one of the other options below. When you're done with that, click Save, and that is the complete step-by-step application process of how to join the Digistore24 affiliate program. If you are still with me, thank you so much. I did tell you that I would show you how to research the top ranking Digistore24 products to see if this platform was going to be the right fit for you. Type in Digistore24.com and come into the home page. Go up to the top and click Marketplace, and you will automatically get a list of all the products by their sales rank in Digistore24. Once in here, you can filter this out by niche, or you can simply look at the products ranked in order. If you want more information on these metrics, how to read them, and what they mean to you as an affiliate, be sure to watch our other Digistore24 videos where Kim and I both go into that in detail. Remember, if you want or need help with how to do affiliate marketing the right way, be sure to grab our free training from the link below. You haven't seen training like this anywhere else. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when our next video comes out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.